to BC. Busy. Bicycle. Nanina na sila. Oh, good job. You're using wheelbarrow, my love?
Good, I'm doing the wheel.
Okay. Yeah. So, ako tigwa sa front, tapok din tapos sila po tig-transfer. Good job. Maybe just stop in there na, cause look, there's a barrier. Maybe you could just drag things. So, yan. Ay, kami ni. Ay, nasa sa among neighbor. Oh, kami lang sa ani. Mga little branches. You need a break? You need water? Yeah? Okay, come here. Break time, break time. Call Ezekiel. Where's Ezekiel?
Drake.
Ezekiel, water. What? Look, you didn't need water. Are you sure? Yes, needs water. Yeah.
But I am hungry.
You're hungry. I'm gonna make you lunch now. Good job. Nag-wheelbarrows, Matias. Break time na mga break time. Nang hinlo. Daddy is on the ring. So dad is cutting that yesterday. Hindi rin cut that yesterday. So ours we just get a leaves. What? What he said? Daddy's. Hello? Yummy ice cream daw. Daddy, so what we doing? We have a break time. Yeah, daw. We just getting a twigs. Next time they will blower. They will use this blower.
Okay, I think a caterpillar that have looking web thingy.
Yeah.
That stick on the caterpillar and then the caterpillar was going strange.
We go cocoon.
Oh.
You know the cycle of the
Yeah.
butterfly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So daddy's in there, see us in the ring. Ay, nako. Clear na lang ako sa deck. Alat pa ko ani blower naman ni. Nagbilbaro ni. Para dali ra. Good thing it's clear na, not na alat. Break time, tas lang popsicle. Ay. Happy? Okay. You got it? Good job, Ezekiel. Oy! Good job! Go right there. Yep. All the way. In the top here, Ezekiel. Look, the top. There. Wanna try, Matias? Yep, all the twigs should be out. Good job. Oh, nice air. Down, down. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Is that nice? Nice! Ah! Ito na lang ay. Mas dali kaysa magsulit-sulit. Hoy! Ah! limpyo-limpyo. Dito ko una na akong PC. Wala na. Gina na lang daghan sunugon. Limpyo-limpyo na. At least, isbog na ko ng kanda nila misa. Kaya nila si bigatling. Ay, anong direk ganina. Anong kuha ko ng mga pisi-pisi basig hapiton. Ang apple walang gamit. So yan, balik na ako ang kuan spinner. Kuan. Design. This wala na kasi kabog. So yan.
Humanagyod mi og paglimpyo. Thank you so much mga anak. Salamat sa inyong kabuutan. Gitabangan ninyo si mama maglimpyo sa atong panimalay. Have a great day everyone.